Hey guys, I hope you all are doing good there.
This is a Mr. Chucky production.
Visit to the website called thefacebook.com. As we all know what Facebook is. A social site, yeah, but it is not now because it has a tab called Marketplace. This is Marketplace. Here you can see that lots of people are selling their stuffs online. The used stuffs or some of them are just drop shipping it from the different websites. And I'm gonna tell you that how you can do that and can earn money in very little time because it is a new thing in the market other than Amazon or Shopify. So the second thing you have to do is to visit a website called Best Price or Walmart or Etsy. There are three websites, but I prefer Best Price because I have also used it earlier. Here you have to find the hot products. The hot products which I found is of furnitures. Here it is, furnitures. Because it is an evergreen product and people used to buy it on large scale. And here you can see there are different products which you can sell on the marketplace later with a good profit margin. So the third step is to choose a product you found the most valuable. Well, for an example, let's take this. So here you can see that description is given, a key highlight is given, the specifications of the brand is given. So let's take this. So the fourth step is to go on Facebook Marketplace. Again, on the left side you can see here create new listing icon. This click it tab. You have to tab or click on the item for sale icon, and here it is all your product listings, your photographs, your product photographs, the title details, location, and everything are here, all the category, the condition, the description. So let's start from the title or the photos first. We have got 3 pics here which you have to download it all. Now
This
add your
is a
photos to
Mr.
there.
Chucky production.
So the first step of this listing is completed, that is of pics. So I get this title and we have to call the title also. Now price, in the case of price, you must be a good profit margin. Like if it is selling at 4,249 rupees, you must sell at somewhat higher prices. Like or MRP isn't here, you can sell on this price too and keep the profit margin of this. Let's write it. 7,500 $50. Now it's category. Now it's a category of furniture. Now condition, that's new. description you have here. Just copy that. So you can see that it's pretty simple. That size, single, that it is, I think, adjustable. Yeah, adjustable color, brown, blend, snell combo. That is protect tags. So now I have filled it with some tags. So I can SQ, that's optional. That's your option. If it's a choice whether you want to fill or not. Is that's location. So I prefer to put location that is near to US. So Virgin Islands are down that.
This is a Mr. Tracking production.
And here it's a hide from friends option. That's a choice if you don't want your friends to see your listings, and you can turn it on or turn it off. Then publish it to the marketplace. Now what's the business here is if someone buys it, you'll receive a notification or text from the user that he wants to buy, or he or she wants to buy this launch share. The next step you'll do is to go again on then the next step you have to do is to visit the website again of Best Price and the same page of Neil Campbell Lounge Easy Chair. Then you have to buy it then you have to buy it from the money that the customer will pay, and you'll send it to the customer's house on their respective address. The profit you'll keep, the profit margin you have to maintain, that you have to keep a good profit. Like if this store is of rupees 8,000 rupees, so out of 8,000, so near about 3 to or 2,500 rupees must be your profit. So this is a whole business to do that you can do in your free time to earn, and it's we can say that it's a fast way of earning money from online, that is from Facebook Marketplace. I hope you liked the video. Please do subscribe this channel and press the bell notification icon for daily updates. Thank you.